because this university believes in giving the wings of success to its students. Hello, I am Resham and you're watching DNP India. Firstly, welcome back to our channel. So I am here at GLA University attending the 10th convocation ceremony here. So I did not only get the opportunity to attend the event but also got the opportunity to speak to the CEO of the university, who is none other than Mr. Neeraj Agarwal. So we're going to talk to him, know about his viewpoint about the convocation ceremony, the event that happened today, the placement, the reason to why the placement is going on so good, the graph is so good. We're going to know everything. We're going to know about his viewpoint. Let's find out. So firstly, congratulations, the 10th convocation ceremony. How does it feel?
मतलब convocation जब भी होता है तो it is always better for everyone, and yes, this is 10th, and till the time we were affiliated to some university, that is UPTU, now it is AKTU. From the first year itself, हम लोग ये establish कर रहे हैं कि convocation ज़रूर हो, और the good part of the entire story is कि during COVID also we make it virtually also. Yeah.
So a highlight of today's event, आपके हिसाब से?
For me, my chief guest is always there, but yes, DM Gautam Buddha Nagar, he is young, energetic and a sportsman, तो बच्चों से connect कर पाए, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें जो chief guest ने बताई, that is very very important to understand and to execute also.
Okay. So coming to the university, what according to you makes GLA different from that of others?
That's a very good question. For me, yes, the ultimate outcome is placements, and since I am also myself looking for placements, so for any professional course, one should be with the entrepreneurship or kind of jobs. The good part in GLA USP, you can say, is now we are able to offer almost 80+% placements to the students with great packages, not just 3 lakh or 4 lakh wala packages, but yes, now the companies of 20 lakhs rupees, 30 lakhs rupees, 15, 12 lakhs rupees are coming usually for GLA campus recruitment.
So like you mentioned about placement, even I have noticed that the graph is like commendable. So how are you able to keep up that graph even during COVID?
Yeah, again the point is ki it's all depend on the students' quality. Yes, we used to visit corporates, and corporate from pan-India, you can say from Bangalore to NCR to Chennai, Hyderabad, Mumbai, Pune, 450 campuses are taken place every year. But the best part, and the question is yours, is कि क्यों होता है? So that is the main point कि 90% of the companies are repeatedly coming to GLA because of the students' quality.
So GLA, a place where imagination becomes a career. Your view on that statement?
Yes, why not? And the good part of the entire story again is that what we focus, as Pro Chancellor Sahab, Professor Durg Singh Chauhan Sahab was also mentioning during his convocation speech, that we emphasize on rural students also. Not just rural, obviously not. Everybody is more than welcome. But the entire the USP, you can say once again, is that we are emphasizing the rural students. Majority, those who are not able to crack IITs or NITs, unfortunately, quote unquote, but yes, we make them realize that you are second to none. That is the thing.
So coming to that, GLA is touching about a lot of social issues as well. So can you name some of them?
Believe me, it's a vision of Honorable Chancellor Sahab, Shri Narayan Das Ji Agarwal, who happens to my father also. He is a man of CSR. He is a man of social activities. He is a man of for country and kind of thing, and that entire thing which we are also taking care of in terms of Swachhata Abhiyan, in terms of many schools we adopted, many schools nearby, almost 6 to 7 schools we are taking care of, and many more things like somebody mentioned also during Corona also, we were there with the food packets and many more things, and it is a usual practice of GLA.
Any steps that you're taking for women empowerment and helping them, get empowered?
हाँ, in terms of out of GLA, दो तरह से बात करूँगा, एक बाहर GLA की और एक अंदर GLA की. तो अंदर GLA की अगर बात करते हैं तो हम लोग बहुत सारा स्कॉलरशिप ऑफर करते हैं बच्चों को, स्पेशली लड़कियों को, एंड मुझे लगता है कि पूरे नॉर्थ इंडिया में शायद अगर हम परसेंटेज की, जेंडर परसेंटेज की बात करते हैं, तो GLA इज हैविंग अ ग्रेट परसेंटेज ऑफ गर्ल्स. दैट इज़ द मेन पार्ट ऑफ द वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट. और अगर हम आउट ऑफ GLA की बात करते हैं तो हमारी जो सोसाइटी है उसकी तरफ से बहुत सारे जो आश्रम्स हैं, बहुत सारे जो ऐसे लोग हैं जो काम नहीं कर सकते हैं, उनको भी हम लोग हेल्प करते हैं.
एंड सर GLA ऑनलाइन, उसके बारे में कुछ बताएंगे?
Yes, the good part again is, fortunately now we are permitted from government and UGC. अभी भी ये सोचना था मेरा कि मथुरा बहुत सारे लोग नहीं आ सकते हैं, या कोट अनकोट प्राइवेट एजुकेशन को महंगा बताया जाता है, और उसकी वजह से ढेरों बच्चे, हजारों लाखों करोड़ों बच्चे, या वो प्रोफेशनल्स जो अभी स्टेप इन किए हैं कॉर्पोरेट में, वो हायर एजुकेशन नहीं कर पाते हैं, और उसकी वजह से शायद उनको जो लाइवलीहुड है उसमें प्रॉब्लम आता है। GLA की सोच ये है कि अगर हम लोग उन बच्चों तक पहुंच पाएं जो वाकई बहुत दूर बैठे हुए हैं, या जिनको ये लगता है कि 1 लाख रुपए हम खर्च नहीं कर सकते हैं, तो एक सस्ती और शानदार एजुकेशन उन तक ले जाने का हमारा प्रयास है, जिससे वो अच्छे रोजगार ले पाएंगे।
Exactly. Your last words to our viewers and the youth especially.
As Suhas Elwai said very frankly, कि follow your passion. Since I am a motivational speaker, I used to meet thousands of people, thousands of students of schools. I always say follow your passion.
Exactly. Thank you so much for speaking to us. It's time to follow your passion, and why not join GLA? I think it's a great platform to learn. You can make a difference in society. So I think you really need to be here. This is Resham signing off from DNP India.